Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh shit.
Right. Get that, nigga. Somebody try to tell you something, chill the fuck out. Now you got it. I cut the video and I made sure that I didn't show her face because she's going through too much right now. But let me tell you something. You see that guy right there? If it wasn't for the men that was on that platform, she would have been a goner. If you can hear in the video, she's screaming, "Let me go. Let me go." And the men in that platform are asking her, "Do you know him?" Once they figured out that she didn't know him, they beat his ass. And they were supposed to. Yo, listen, it's a lot of sick people moving around here. If you're riding those trains, if you're moving around by yourself, you have to pay attention. If you're getting bad...
Yes, I know it has been a while since I have posted, but I have been extremely busy. But this story caught my attention. Hello everyone, I hope everything is going as planned and you're staying safe. Now ladies, please be careful. You see, this creep was just going to take this woman? I mean, kudos to the man who stood up and rescued her, you know. But you see, this was happening in broad daylight. He didn't care. He was just going to take her. I mean, what in the ritualistic hell is going on here, all dressed in white? Listen, ladies, just the way you walk with your phone in your hand, yeah, that's another distraction. You should have your mace and your pepper spray at the ready. Okay, pay attention. Pay attention. The people in the world are getting crazier and hella bold.
Said what I said.
Thanks for watching. Stay safe and be self-aware. See you in the next
friend.
one.
This is on you. Even if he did not